Who do you think is gonna win this race? Ready? Oh, Percy, where are you going? Oh no, this guy's winning. This guy is the winner. Woohoo! Uh-oh, the other Thomas is winning this race too. Oh no! Thomas 1, Thomas 2, and Thomas 3. Who do you think is gonna win, SaiSai? And then there's another one. Oh, this guy again! Oh no! Oh no, this guy again won, SaiSai. This guy's a beast. Good job. How about the two Percy? And the two Percy's on! Go! Oh no! Percy's always going to the kitchen! Why does he always go there? Percy's hungry! Uh-oh, Thomas and Annie is on the way to finish line! SaiSai! Bye-bye, Thomas and Annie! Oh no! They're gonna win! Oh no! Hi!
Ready?
Are you ready for this?
Ready? And go!
He ran. Oh, the other person got stuck on the... Oh no, the other one got stuck on the chair. Oh no! And the other Thomas is also got stuck. No one win this race, SaiSai. Oh. We put together the walk. I don't know, I forgot about that. The one that walks and then the 5-in-1 track. Let's see how it goes. Are you ready, Josiah? Alright, go start it. Go! Where is he going? He's going around here and going straight over there. He's going to the bridge. Oh no, yeah! You need to put it there. Yeah. There you go. Oh no, we forgot. Alright, let's do it. Start it. Where is he going? Percy is gonna go around here. And he's gonna go straight to the bridge over there. And he's gonna go up here. And this thing is the bridge that walks. Turn, 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 turn. Good job, Percy. Wow! Oh no, there's an accident! SaiSai is gonna fix him. Now go. Let him go. Gonna whoop. There is a little over there. Oh, it stopped and SaiSai is gonna go let it go. You think it's gonna go up here on the bridge? Thomas is the second train on the track. It's gonna go up here. On the bridge he goes. Uh-oh, oh no, it's gonna go down. no! Here comes the Super SaiSai helping Thomas out. Oh no! Thank you, Super SaiSai. Oh no! Another accident! Here comes Percy. Going up here. Okay, Percy's gonna try the big bridge over here. Up he goes. Let's see if he's gonna have an accident. Oh no! Good job, Percy! Percy didn't have an accident. Didn't have an accident. Oh no! SaiSai's a little bit busy here, helping Percy out. Woo! Oh snap! Thomas is gonna go straight over there. Over there. Alright, let's try this one. Oh. I forgot his name. Let's see how it goes. Good job, SaiSai. He's on it. Woo! Here he comes down to the bridge. Woo! He didn't have an accident, SaiSai. Awesome! Woo! Thomas over there. Alright, there's a lot of trains going on the track. Oh no! Another accident over there. Done. Okay, SaiSai. Thomas is on the way over there. Oh, there's another Thomas. Oh no! Accident is about to happen. Oh no! Joink! Another Thomas gonna fall. Joink! Oh no! Are you guys okay? There's 3 trains down here. We gotta help them out. Oh. What's his name? I forgot his name. SaiSai, do you know his name? Oh, this guy is going up here on the second bridge. Whoa! Let's see if he's gonna have an accident. Oh wow! Good job, guy! Comment down below if you know his name. Because Harold here is chilling. Ooh, another Thomas. Oh, Thomas got stuck. SaiSai, help him. Oh no! Super SaiSai on the go! Thank you. Another one got stuck. Oh, they crashed together. They bumped each other. Oh my goodness. Yes, and he's gonna go. Oh, boing. Oh no, I forgot about that. There we go. Just walking slowly, making sure, slowly but surely. Whoa! That went so fast. And he's off to SaiSai. Where is he going? Oh, he's gonna go to the second bridge. Yay! Yay! Awesome, guy! He made it! He made it again here. You're awesome! Slowly but surely, guys. Woo! That's a small slide over there. He's gonna go to SaiSai again. Harold over there on top, chilling, watching for everything. Oh, he's gonna do it again. Alright, SaiSai, stop it. And he's gonna let it go. Good job, SaiSai. Thank you, SaiSai. SaiSai is seriously watching this guy. Oh no, Super SaiSai! You gotta help him! Oh no!